Well, this of course is the Friday review, but it comes to you much earlier because I just watched Dangal and I'm certainly excited to give you my review. Well, कैसी मूवी है? Let's say ये आमिर खान की मूवी है और जैसे आमिर खान की मूवी होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल ही वैसे है. Hello and welcome to the review. I'm Denzel and now let's talk about what's happening in Dangal. Right at the top. Okay, I want to take one thing out of the picture. That is the comparison between Sultan and Dangal. Okay, आप रेस्टोरेंट जाते हैं या आप बाहर निकलते हैं खाने के लिए. एक सिंपल सी बात थी. दो तरह के खाने होते हैं. एक होता है बर्गर फ्रॉम मैकडॉनल्ड्स. स्वाद होता है, जल्दी से खा लेते हैं, पचा लेते हैं, मजा आता है और आप निकल जाते हैं. और दूसरा, आप लजीज खाना खाने जाते हैं एक सिट डाउन रेस्टोरेंट में जहां पे आपको 4 कोर्स मील मिलता है और निकलने के बाद जब आप खा के निकलते हैं तो सालों के लिए आप कहते हैं वाह यार क्या खाना था. Well, that of course is Dangal. So Sultan is the fast food. It is consumable. It was a good movie. It had Salman Khan. It was chaat masala, and it left you with a good taste in your mouth. But will you remember it forever? I'd say what you will remember for a very long time will be Dangal. Now, let's tell you a little bit about the movie. It starts with the man Mahavir Singh Phogat, who's played by Aamir Khan. He has 2 daughters and he wants a son. And then finally he realizes that his daughters can be actually his asset. And then he puts all his power and all his might and everything in his life and actually backs them up. It's very emotional journey. अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ ये तो मैंने स्टोरी सुनी हुई है, but इतने twists और turns हैं इस मूवी में कि it actually becomes so enthralling कि आप एक सेकंड के लिए इस मूवी को मिस नहीं करना चाहेंगे. It is the journey of 2 girls, Geeta and Babita, वो हमने ट्रेलर में ऑलरेडी देख लिया. They are women wrestlers and they grow up from small and they grow into big girls and finally they win. At least one of them, Geeta, wins the gold in the Commonwealth Games in 2010. Okay, right at the top, let's talk about the acting. In the first 20 minutes of the film, आप ये देखते हैं कि आमिर खान is first slightly bulky wrestler type, बिल्कुल पहलवान. Then he goes to become a young wrestler and then he goes on in age to become an older wrestler who's actually preparing his daughters, all in half an hour or 1 hour of the movie. It is of course part of the movie and the brilliance of Aamir Khan comes out in this. The way he has got his language right, which is Haryanvi. Every single sentence of it that he says is perfect Haryanvi. He's got his act right from the tough wrestler. वहाँ से जाते हैं वो old senior wrestler की तरह, and then he coaches his daughters and he looks it. एक मिनट के लिए मुझे ये नहीं लगता कि नहीं ये तो लगता ही नहीं, ये तो आमिर खान है. नहीं, ये महावीर सिंह फोगाट. और जो इमोशंस उनके अंदर हैं, पहले of course the fact that he does not have a daughter or does not have sons. उसके बाद he has 2 daughters and then he realizes that they are assets and then he has to let them go into the world, which is a really big thing for a father who has put all his time, energy and effort behind his daughters to let them go into the world. And finally while they of course are taken up by this world of wrestling around them in the international wrestling and सब कुछ, they finally return to their roots, to what their father had taught them to win this international medal. Okay, so now we've talked about Aamir Khan, but the other really big winners from today's movie are the 2 little girls. Zaira Wasim is one's name. She is Geeta in the movie, the short head. No, actually both of them are short head. And Suhani Bhatnagar. ये बच्चे ना, they run about at least an hour or an hour and a half of this movie and बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है कि इन बच्चों ने they have completely played out their character as the 2 little girls, the wrestlers. And finally of course they grow up and Fatima Sheikh is who plays Geeta Phogat and she has also done an amazing job. You know, एक चीज मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया लगा इस मूवी के बारे में और वो ये कि जो फातिमा शेख है वो उन्होंने इतना प्रैक्टिस किया होगा. शी मस्ट हैव प्रैक्टिस सो मच that she almost looks like a wrestler. She almost feels like a wrestler. She emotes like a wrestler. उसके एक्शन में कभी भी ये नहीं लगता कि वो उसको फेक कर रही है. So I think a great amount of time and energy, and that's why this movie took 2 years to build, because so much has gone into the movie, into making it completely believable. Okay? There is one amazing fact about this movie. So these were the acts. All the acts are perfect. They are all very, very well done. Uske alawa, now let's talk about the story. The story is built up. It's got a lovely script to go with it. और उस script में ना fun है. Of course there's seriousness in it, but fun है. There's a whole lot of real true humor in this movie, and that's why I like it so much. Now let's talk about the serious parts. It's about women in emancipation. It talks about patriarchy. It talks about how as a culture, how as people, we are completely male oriented. The people around him, Mahavir Singh Phoghat in real life must have had a really, really hard journey to bring his daughters, because first of course, Dangal mein, there's a very strange thing, जहाँ पे वो one of the competitions that they go for, the judge says, अरे लड़कों को लड़कियों के साथ थोड़ी लड़ाते हैं, ये तो लड़कियां हैं, आप इनको वापस ले जाइए. So there is that kind of thing. So he has to fight all those biases. And finally, of course, he has to fight the sports machinery of this country, which across movies on sports, one thing definitely comes across, that there is something really, really rotten about the sports machinery in this country. And I think that's something that we seriously, intrinsically need to change about how sports is run, and how half of it is the sports machinery. But more than that, it's about how a father has coached his daughters to become winners. And that is the huge big message from this movie. Another message that came out beautifully in this movie was, right in the beginning, of course, you have the national anthem, and Sab Uth Gaye, and everybody stood up, and the national anthem played out. And in the end of this movie, again the national anthem plays out, and this is part of the movie. This is when Geeta Phoghat wins her gold medal. And yet again, I saw one full cinema hall stand up. A matter of pride in cinema, a matter of pride in cinema well made. And that's what this movie is all about. Now let's talk about the other things in this movie. There, of course, is the music plays out well. The sports action is really, really well done. I can truly say that we actually have learned how to shoot for sports. We learned how to do the sports movie, which is very, very cool. I'm very, very happy about this. This is a serious review, so I'm not going to joke about it. But I'm going to tell you this, that it is, in my estimation, the movie of the year. The movie of a long time to come. And I'm very happy that after Three Idiots, PK yes, but not as much. After Three Idiots, Aamir Khan is back doing his act as only he can. This is his movie from Fame 1 to Frame 100 and everything in between. So how much would I give it, आप पूछेंगे? Well, इतनी तारीफें की. Oh, one thing, no, one second, rewind. Okay, now let's go to Sania Malhotra. Sania Malhotra is Fatima Sheikh, that is Geeta Phoghat's younger sister. Very strangely, this movie does not talk about her or her achievements, other than the fact that she stays with her father while her elder sister goes out to fight the world and go to the Commonwealth Games and all. It's very strange. Maybe they did this on purpose, but it would have been nice if both the sisters were brought out as winners in the end. I would have liked that. That would have been a more rounded story. But it doesn't take away from the fact that this is a brilliant piece of cinema. I would say go watch it as soon as you can. Book your tickets, do whatever you need to. How much am I going to give it at the end of the day? I'd give it 4 big stars, because it's got everything in it. It's got action, live sports action. It's got emotion. The father's emotion with his daughter. I'm not going to give you any spoilers out here, because you must watch this movie to see that emotion of a father. The emotion of the father letting the child go. The emotion of the father seeing that child fail. The emotion of a father who says, I will put everything into my children to see that they are winners. That actually at the end of the day left a cinema hall crying. Need I say more? Not really. Go watch it in the cinemas. As for me, I'm of course out of here. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you. Lots of cinema more in the new year. But for now, it is time for me to say goodbye. And I'd say it in style, shut her down. After that, Dukaan Band. And bye from me. God bless you all.